What is going on, everybody? I've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of likes on my previous video on how to automatically DM everybody on Instagram. But I'm running into some issues. I think you guys are too. And I've found a new way to get this done. So let's get into this, and I'm going to show you how this is done. And it's going to be a little bit of coding, but I think you guys will be able to manage. So start off the bat, let's go to, we're going to need a new Chrome extension. We're going to ditch the other stuff we have. So we're going to put in Profile Bud Chrome extension, extract data. We're going to click on this first one. It's extract emails from Instagram. All right, so you are going to be adding the extension here, install it, get it going, go up here, get it running. It's going to ask you to log in. I'm going to use one of my alt accounts. I would definitely recommend that too. Do not use your main, because this will probably definitely get you caught by Instagram. We are going to be spamming as many people as you want in this point. So you can do 40, 50, 500, 5,000, 500,000 until Instagram stops letting you send messages. You'll keep hitting them. So, all right, we've now hit, we've logged in. I've already done that. So log into Instagram. It's going to pull you to this. You're going to be on the Profile Bud extension. We're then going to find user. So this is actually quite a nice little program here. You can do whatever you guys want. Follower following, specific posts, likes, and comments. See, I like the hashtag, so we're going to go with hashtag. We do something simple as like Fortnite. And as you can see, there's 48.1 million posts. So you can literally pull 48 million people's Instagram tags. So I wouldn't advise that. Your computer will be running for days. So I like to, refine it down. We can do like home cooking, something like that. Just depending on whatever your criteria is, you can scroll down and find something that's a little bit more fun. Look at that home cooking adventure for only 14,000. So let's just go with something that I know. I like Fortnite clan recruiting. So there's 10,000 there. It's a nice little queue you're going to get. So here we go. We've pulled it up. We've now clicked submit. So what's happening here is now Profile Bud is pulling every single person that has posted something using this hashtag. Now it can be one of many hashtags. It can be, it can just be a singular, but either way, we're going to pull about 10,000 different usernames right now. So as you can see, this thing's working, and you can let this thing go for as long as you want. But what I'm going to do is we're just going to make this easy. So we're at 64 right now, 72. We're going to download the data. And now you can see it's loading up down here. So what we're going to do here is I want to cancel out of this. I don't want to just keep downloading on my computer. So once you're back at this screen, Profile Bud has stopped working, and it's not just going to keep pulling this information. So we're going to open up this, and it is going to do an Excel file. So again, we're going to need to have Microsoft Excel. This is definitely done easier on Microsoft applications. That's what I use. All right, perfect. So now we have opened up our Excel file, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to, open up these as much as you can. This is just, I don't use B. C is the ID. Some people use that. You don't need to. But either way, I'm going to click the top link. This is going to be the username here. Go all the way to the bottom. Highlight them all, control. Now what we need to do is we need to add a comma at the end of each of these usernames in order for this to work. This is the same thing as what we had to do last time. So we're going to open up Notepad++. That's the easiest way I have found to do it. If you have another way of doing it, totally fine. You might be able to do this in Excel. I'm really not sure. I don't feel like putting in the time to figure it out. So here we go. We're going to paste the usernames here. highlight all, Control A, then Control H. We're going to backslash R. We are going to make sure we're going to add a comma. We're going to have this selected, and make sure you click in selection. Now, normally that'll be unselected. So click that, replace all, boom, we're done. Close this. We're going to then copy this again, and we are done. That's all we needed. We needed to extract the data. We need to be able to get a comma at the end of the username and copy the list down. So here we go. We're going to then move on to go back to YouTube, and you're going to type in how to DM on Instagram automatically. You can basically just put this in, how to DM on Instagram auto. And my video will be right down here. As you can see, we're right here. But what I need you guys to do is we're actually going to go up here. Now, this guy, I've worked with him before. He's a great guy, super informed. This is going to be top-notch programmer. He is awesome. Definitely super informative. I want you to click on this one. Instagram DM bot, send direct message with Python bot. So again, this is going to be a little bit coding. You're going to have to do, a little bit of downloading, probably a little bit of learning, but I want you guys to come here and follow this guy's video. Give him a like, give him a sub. He's awesome. He's just starting out too. Really super helpful. I've gotten in touch with him. He's given me feedback on his programs. It's great. I need you guys to type this into your URL. It's github.com, Ridian, Mark U, Instagram /DM/bot. And you're going to need to download this whole thing. Now, this is easily explained in the YouTube video that I told you guys to watch. Again, this guy is awesome. I've used him before. As you can see, these things are just a few months old, so we're pumping along. We're keeping this stuff up to date for you guys. It's awesome. So we're going to download this thing. Basically, you're going to do this. I download it as a zip. Boom, boom, boom. Gets it done. Makes it happen. You're going to then put it out and get it onto your desktop. So you pull it out on your desktop. I use Visual Studio Code. I highly suggest you guys downloading it either way. So you're going to have this pulled up. Again, you're going to watch the video, understand what's happening. You're going to have all of your criteria put in. You're going to have your Chrome driver put in. If you guys have any questions on that, please leave me a comment. I have no problem showing you guys how to upload like Chrome driver, how to download these drivers, how to get them into your Python folder so everything's working efficiently. I can totally do that, but I'm just kind of giving you guys a full-on, let's get this going. Let's show you guys how it's done. So again, we're going to do our requirements. We're going to have all this done. Everything's done. Go to our user page. Close that. All right, so now from our notepad that we have everybody, all of our usernames, and from everybody that we have from Notepad++, Notepad 2, we're going to copy, and we are going to paste in users. Boom, we have it done. Make sure there's no extras, make sure there's no blanks, but we have 72 people we are about to DM right now. So again, like I said, you can make this 10,000 long if you wanted. This Visual Studio Code is an infinite lines, infinite. So let's see, where is it? We are then going to go to what you want to say. And again, I'm just showing you guys. So we're just doing like a sub for sub, throwing in the YouTube link. So as you guys can see, we can say all this stuff. We can put in our links. Here's where we're putting in our username, putting in our password. I've blurred this out so you guys, aren't jumping in. But again, this is just an alt account. I highly, highly recommend you just make a new account. It's really not that hard. Just make a new account and start spamming this out, whatever you got. So here's where our username and our password are. I've blurred that out for you guys. But again, you can put any message you want here, whatever you guys, you can be selling something, you can be trying to promote something, you can be trying to promote yourself, putting pictures to your websites, whatever you guys want to do. And so there we go. We have all this done, and we are then going to make sure we save. That is definitely key. We're going to save, we're going to close, save, close. There we go. we now have everything up and running. I'm going to show you guys how this works. So we are going to be sure that we are in where we need to be. And again, if I need to show you guys how to do this, please just leave a comment. I'll walk you guys through every single step of this. I'm just trying to show you guys that it can be done, and this is how you can do it. So there's all of our users being pulled, and this is everybody we're going to be responding to. So again, we're going to be using Chrome Driver for this. You're going to need to have all of the extensions downloaded. We're going to need to have the drivers downloaded. You're going to need to know how to do that. I can run you through that. So here we go. It's logging into Instagram now. It will, it's slowly moving. It'll get there. I'm sure that it will speed up if I wasn't recording my screen and probably maxing my CPUs right now. It'd probably help if I didn't have the screen recording. I'm sure it'd be moving a lot faster. So I think that it's going to probably pull up my security here as usual. Nope, it didn't. And there we go. So here we go. We're starting right off the bat. And again, I'm not typing this. This is all done for you. So at this point, once this is running, I walk away from my computer. There it is. I knew that was coming. So at this point, I just walk away from my computer because I know this is going to just continuously go for 75 people. The speed of it actually kind of helps in your benefit here, because if you just pump out like 100 of these in under 10 minutes, they're instantly ban the account. So by this kind of moving along as it does, again, we're using Selenium here. I don't know how well you guys are with coding, but it's not the fastest one that could be used. I think it's great. It's definitely more easily understood. But here we go. As you can see, everything's being typed in. I'm just sitting here watching the screen just like you guys are. And so, again, I'm just promoting my YouTube. Hit me with the sub for sub. That's, why not? That's what we want. And these are a bunch of random people. You can do this as many times as you want throughout the day. You can pull up a list of 1,000 people and just, do 100 at a time and do it in sections. I also have a few alt accounts. I do this on different ones. Once, one's not allowed to DM anymore, I'll just move on to the next one, get another 65, 70 people. I try to switch it up by then, but hey, it works. But all right, there you go. So as you can see, we're moving right along here. We just sent out our message to who knows who, Sinzo60 FPS. Wonder if he's really got it, But all right, as you can see over here, this is our command prompt that's open. We sending our message here, message sent successful. It's going to pull up our next guy in just a few moments. And this will run until Instagram won't let you. Let me know if you have any questions.